Why businesses fail to connect with their target audience online. Think you know your audience? Sure, corporate gives you a general idea for your customer persona, but many businesses assume instead of researching themselves. Without understanding your audience's needs, interests, or pain points, your efforts will miss the target every time. Effective connection starts with detailed research to uncover who your customers truly are. AI has been very beneficial in assisting business owners in this area. Do your posts, website, and branding tell the same story? GD Aim's AI marketing platform ties all the various strands of your business together so you are congruent. Inconsistencies confuse your audience and erode trust. Your business needs a clear, unified voice across all platforms to be memorable. Consistency builds credibility and fosters stronger emotional connections with your customers. Are you posting and waiting for results? That's not enough. Engagement is a two-way street. Feel tongue-tied and not know what to say or write? GD Aim's AI marketing platform will help you respond to comments, ask questions, and create content that sparks conversations. A lack of interaction makes your brand feel distant, a surefire way to alienate your audience and get them to move on to someone that is more responsive. Don't let your business fade into the digital noise. Start by truly knowing your audience, aligning your messaging, and engaging authentically. It's time to form lasting connections that grow your brand and drive success. GD Aims is an invaluable tool for businesses and network marketers looking to enhance their social media marketing efforts. This AI platform improves connections in a professional manner with customers, clients, and prospects with ease. Use the easiest and best social media marketing platform ever. Results guaranteed. Use the link on this video to get started.